Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades for the Mac Pro, specifically the OWC 96GB DDR3 ECC registered memory upgrade. If you're looking to give your trusty Mac Pro a performance boost, this might just be the ticket. First off, let's talk compatibility. This upgrade is tailor-made for Mac Pro models from 2009 to 2012, including both Nehalem and Westmere architectures. Whether you're rocking a Mac Pro 4.1 or a Mac Pro 5.1, this upgrade has got you covered. Plus, it's JEDEC compliant and ROHS certified, ensuring peace of mind when it comes to quality and environmental standards. With a whopping 96GB of DDR3 ECC registered memory, you're not just adding more RAM, you're supercharging your machine's capabilities. This kit consists of 6 16GB modules, boasting a clock speed of 1333 MHz. The ECC registered design ensures stability and reliability, crucial for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the 240-pin DIMM form factor. Plus, each module comes equipped with a Mac-qualified thermal sensor EEPROM, ensuring optimal performance and temperature management. And with OWC's advanced replacement program and limited lifetime warranty, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. But let's talk real-world performance. Whether you're multitasking with dozens of apps open, editing high-resolution videos, or crunching numbers in intensive simulations, this memory upgrade delivers. Say goodbye to slowdowns and bottlenecks. With 96GB at your disposal, your Mac Pro will fly through tasks with ease. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your Mac Pro to the next level, the OWC 96GB DDR3 ECC registered memory upgrade is a no-brainer. It's compatible, reliable, and delivers a significant performance boost across the board. So why wait? Upgrade your Mac Pro today and experience the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.